Welcome to our exploration of the world of horse saddles and bridles, items that hold tremendous significance both as thoughtful gifts and as potential business opportunities within the equestrian community. In this unique space where passion meets practicality, saddles and bridles represent more than just gear. They embody the rich traditions and deep emotional connections that riders share with their horses. Whether you are an avid equestrian, a beginner just discovering the joys of horseback riding, or someone looking for the perfect gift for a horse lover, understanding the value of these essential tools can lead to meaningful experiences and informed decisions. From their role in enhancing the rider's experience to their potential as long-term investments, saddles and bridles offer a wealth of benefits and insights. In addition to their personal significance, saddles and bridles present unique business opportunities within a growing market. As interest in equestrian sports continues to rise, the demand for quality tack has never been more pronounced. This burgeoning market offers aspiring entrepreneurs a chance to tap into a niche that not only promotes equestrian excellence but also fosters community connections. By providing high-quality, customizable options that resonate with riders' needs and preferences, businesses can forge strong relationships with customers who appreciate accuracy, craftsmanship, and personal touch. Moreover, entrepreneurs who embrace sustainable and ethical practices can appeal to a conscientious consumer base, enhancing brand loyalty and contributing positively to the equestrian ecosystem. Join us as we delve deeper into the myriad ways saddles and bridles can impact our lives, create lasting memories, and serve as a foundation for thriving business ventures. If you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of saddles and bridles and want to dive even deeper into this enriching topic, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that caters to both equestrian enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs. Your support means the world to us, and by hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, which will provide valuable tips, ideas, and inspiration for both gifting and business ventures within the equestrian community. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow horse lovers and anyone interested in the world of horseback riding. Your engagement helps us reach a broader audience and fuels our passion for sharing knowledge. We encourage you to stick around until the end of the video, where we'll be unveiling some exclusive insights and practical advice that can help you make informed decisions, whether you're considering purchasing saddles and bridles as heartfelt gifts or exploring business opportunities in this vibrant market. Saddles and bridles are not just functional items, they are deeply intertwined with the experience of horseback riding and the bond between horse and rider. For many equestrians, receiving a high-quality saddle or a well-crafted bridle is a dream come true, symbolizing important milestones in their equestrian journeys. Such gifts often represent the joy and commitment inherent in horsemanship, making them ideal for special occasions like birthdays, graduations, or holidays. Their inherent value isn't just in the material worth but in the memories and emotions they evoke. These items often become cherished possessions, showcasing the rider's passion and dedication, and are frequently passed down within families as treasured heirlooms. The emotional weight attached to these gifts transforms them into something far more meaningful than ordinary presents. Each saddle and bridle tells a story of adventure and companionship, solidifying their status as timeless gifts for anyone involved in the equestrian world. A compelling aspect of saddles and bridles is the vast potential for customization, which adds a personal touch that enhances the gifting experience. Whether it's an engraved nameplate, a selection of unique colors, or custom fittings tailored to a specific horse, the opportunity to personalize these accessories resonates deeply with both the giver and the recipient. In a marketplace teeming with generic gifts, personalized options stand out, highlighting the thoughtfulness of the giver and creating a lasting impression. This level of customization not only makes the gift more special but also fosters a deeper emotional connection between the recipient and the item. Furthermore, for businesses, offering customizable products can translate into increased customer loyalty. Buyers are often more willing to return for future purchases if they feel their individual preferences are acknowledged and catered to. By creating a meaningful experience through personalization, companies can elevate their brand and establish a strong rapport with their clientele. The equestrian industry is flourishing, with a notable increase in participation across various demographics. More individuals, including children and adults, are exploring horseback riding as both a recreational and competitive sport. This surge in interest translates to a heightened demand for quality horse gear, particularly saddles and bridles, which are essential for any rider. As more people enter the equestrian world, the potential for businesses to capture a slice of this growing market becomes increasingly significant. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this trend by offering a carefully curated selection of high-quality products that meet the diverse needs of riders, whether they are novices or seasoned competitors. With the right mix of marketing and product offerings, businesses can not only thrive in this expanding market but also contribute to the overall growth and development of the equestrian community. In the realm of equestrian gear, quality is of utmost importance. A well-made saddle or bridle doesn't just enhance the rider's experience, it also ensures the safety and comfort of the horse, which is paramount for any responsible rider. High-quality products are often seen as markers of status and pride within the equestrian community, with riders eager to invest in gear that reflects their commitment to their sport. Finally, the act of gifting saddles and bridles often extends beyond the immediate presence. It fosters deeper connections within families and communities. Such gifts can turn into cherished heirlooms, passing down through generations, evoking fond memories of riding adventures and shared experiences. For entrepreneurs, creating high-quality gear that embodies this sense of legacy not only enriches the lives of their customers but can also establish a lasting brand identity that resonates with equestrians. Brands that highlight the stories behind their products and the connections they facilitate can tap into powerful emotional narratives that deepen customer loyalty. We truly appreciate your support, and we encourage you to stay tuned until the end of the video. There, we'll share exclusive insights and practical advice that can help you make the best choices, whether you're looking for the perfect gift or exploring exciting business opportunities. Thank you for being part of our community.